This is KC9VKV, and this is the Friday afternoon Qso-Vlog program. If you have a radio you want to check the audio on, we are recording, and we will post it up on YouTube in the next couple of days, and you can go there and hear what your radio sounds like. This is KC9VKV.
Yo, how you doing, Jim? KC9 Victor King Victor, K1 Germany, Z Roland, and K1GZL.
Well, good afternoon, Charlie. How's it going up that way?
Well, we had a little bit of snow, up and, began about 3 o'clock in the morning, and right now it has stopped. It stopped about 11 o'clock this morning. We had about 6.5 inches. 6.5 inches, but we have another batch of snow coming in here. In the next couple of hours. It should be off and on right through early tomorrow morning, so we'll probably get another 3 inches out of that job. So you sound fine. There's a lot of short skips, very short skip on here, so that may cause a lot of QRM problems. Obviously, there's sporadic E in there. But you sound fine up here in northern New Hampshire, and I've got just short thing to mention about birds that send CWs. Go ahead.
Roger. Now, I have you this afternoon at 7 dB above my noise level. Usually you are 10 to 15 above the noise, but this afternoon you're about 7, so we do have less than perfect conditions. Roger.
Yeah, Roger on that, Jim. I know that because the skip is short, we're too far away. There's a lot of absorption going on. It's wide open into Australia early this morning. Let me mention one thing, what I'm talking about, birds. There are birds called the white-throated sparrows. White-throated sparrows are a little bit smaller than a robin, and those critters have been here for the last 6 summers, including this last summer, at least this last 6 summers, maybe 7. And these birds, you can't believe it, these birds actually send CW letters. They whistle out CW letters, and I call them the K birds because the most predominant letter is the letter K, as in king, but at the whistle. I've recorded these. I've made a recording of these. They'll go over the phone, but will not go over my 7300. But these things, I've heard them on one tree. You'll hear an O, then you'll hear a K. And at one point, a couple of years ago, I heard 10 Ks in a row. And you get W's and M's, M's and Mary. I've had A's and even T's and Z's and X's and SOS's. They sent out about 40 or 50, almost half of the total birds. Of the total letters in our language. It's an incredible thing. So I was just wondering if any of your viewers wanted to send to you the fact that they're picking these up too. I had a friend of mine that lives down in South Carolina. He has heard them in the month of March. They generally, in the colder months, they do migrate south and westward all the way down to northern Florida, down into eastern Texas, a little bit into northeastern Mexico, and of course all the states in between. So I thought I'd pass that on to you, and it's an incredible thing to hear. Hear all these robins and everything else. You just hear those songs. But these birds, the K is even. But the other letters coming up to it, like an OK, would be. But whatever tone the K they use for the letter K, it is consistent. It is a consistent thing, Jim. So I thought I'd just pass that on up into KC9VKV, K1GZL.
Roger, Charlie. Well, you know, our birds up here, they don't send code. They're more phone birds, I guess, because this one is he's saying CQ, CQ, CQ all the time, man. It's just perfect. Like I say, our birds are phone birds up here. Roger, Roger.
Roger on that. Yeah, but you know, you're beginning to wonder. I'm beginning to wonder where Morse learned got the code from. There is a bird book out, but I think it's put out by a fellow by the name of Peters. And he mentions that they use the letter K in our in our code. But it's an incredible situation. Well, that's all I have on that, Jim. But I want to thank you for letting me mention that, because it's absolutely unbelievable. KC9VKV K1GZL.
Roger, Roger, Charlie. We did have a breaker in there. Breaker, are you still there? Hello, Breaker. This is KC9VKV. No, we didn't. We did, but I guess he went outside to check to see if what his birds were doing. It's really unusual. The first time I heard these birds running phone up here, you know, is just really crazy, because he would be out there in the woods, you know, and I'd hear him go, CQ, CQ, CQ. And I was thinking, man, I got to get that on tape so people will believe it. But alas, I didn't have my tape machine, so there you go. Well, Charlie, thanks. I should say you're going to the birds, but that's interesting information that they would be actually using Morse code up there, CW, to communicate with. And if you hear any more, you know, particularly the SOS ones, you know, they may be in trouble for sure. So you might have to check those out. But anyway, thanks for the info there, Charlie. Appreciate that. This is KC9VKV, and this is the Friday afternoon Qso-Vlog program. If you have a radio you want to check out the audio, give us a shout. We are recording, and we'll post it up on YouTube, so you'll be able to go there in the next couple of days and do a call letter search for Kilo Charlie 9 Victor Kilo Victor. Once you get to our Qso-Vlog page, then there will be a Qso that's marked My Group Air Check 11/16/18, which is today. So you find a My Group Air Check 11/16/18. So if you have a radio you want to check out, give us a shout. KC9VKV.
Yeah, 73, Jim. See you next week.
Roger, Charlie. Thank you so very much. Appreciate that.